you stopped working today, how long before your bank account hits zero? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build passive income streams right where you are so that money keeps flowing whether you're in the office, on vacation, or asleep. We are talking real investments, dividends, REITs, bonds, plus global plays like SCHD and VNQ. No scams, no Ponzi schemes, just proven strategies you can start this week. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Anne Enwere. I am a chartered accountant with years of experience in both the banking and insurance sectors who is very passionate about helping Nigerians, both home and abroad, to take better control of their financial future. I do this by posting educational videos like this one, showing you how you can earn passive income. I also have a free Telegram community of like-minded individuals all in different stages of their financial journey and working together to achieve their goals. I also open a few slots every month for one-on-one coaching. I do this to help those special individuals who would like to have direct access to me and have me personally guide them on their investments. The links to join the free Telegram group and to book your consultation session with me will be in the description below. Today, I'm breaking down 4 proven passive income streams you can start building whether you're in Nigeria or abroad. This video will be divided into 4 parts. Part 1, the 4 income streams. Part 2, how much to invest in each monthly. Part 3, realistic income projections over 1, 5, and 10 years. Part 4, costly mistakes to avoid. And just so we are clear, this is not a get-quick-rich stock. These strategies require patience and consistency, but if you commit, they can change your financial future. Part 1, the 4 income streams. Stream 1 is a high-yield savings account. This is your foundation. Instead of leaving your emergency fund in a regular savings account paying between 2 to 3%, move it to a high-yield savings account where you can get up to 10 to 20% per year. This account holds your savings but can also be considered as an investment because it is actively earning you money. As with all investments, the more you have in your investment, the more you earn. This is about protecting your safety net while earning something. You can also use a money market fund for this. The second income stream is dividend growth investing. This is where you get paid to own assets. You should consider investing in stable Nigerian stocks like Dangote Cement, GT Bank, Zenith Bank that have a history of paying consistent dividends. You can buy them through stockbrokers like Meristem, AfriInvest, or the Bamboo app. You can also look at dividend-focused ETFs like the SCHD or VYM that hold global paying dividend companies. The key here is to make sure you reinvest your dividends to compound your returns. When dividends are paid, don't be in a hurry to withdraw and spend. Instead, reinvest them so that you can take advantage of the huge benefits of compound interest. I have videos that explain dividend investing in more detail, including tutorial videos on how you can buy the stock. Please check them out if you need to. Stream 3, real estate investment trusts, REITs. You can invest in listed REITs in Nigeria like Union Homes REIT or SFS REIT, which give you exposure to real estate without becoming a landlord. They pay dividends from rent collected on properties. When you buy REITs, you indirectly become a landlord, collecting rent without the headache of dealing with tenants. We also have global REIT ETFs like the VNQ that provide diversified exposure to commercial and residential properties worldwide. Stream 4, fixed income, low risk investments like treasury bills and bonds. Treasury bills and federal government savings bonds are a safe government-backed way to earn fixed interest. They often offer between 15 to 20% depending on maturity. This is the type of investment that you do and sleep well because there are no ups and downs like your investments in the stock market. Moving on to part 2, which is the monthly allocation strategy. Let's use 1 million naira monthly as an example. In phase 1, which is your foundation, from months 1 to 12, that is your first year, you can put 40% in high-yield savings accounts, 30% in dividend-focused stocks and ETFs, 20% in REITs, and 10% in treasury bills or federal government savings bonds. During phase 2, which is your growth acceleration stage, starting from year 2, this is once you have finished completing your emergency fund, you can then move to taking 10% into high-yield savings, 50% in dividend growth stocks and ETFs, 25% in REITs, and 15% in treasury bills or government or corporate bonds. If you can't afford to invest 1 million naira monthly, simply scale this amount down to what you currently have and work towards increasing them along the way. Part 3. Income projections. Let's be realistic and conservative in our calculations here, especially as we have noticed rates dropping, but rest assured that the returns in real life may be more than this. Year 1 of investing 1 million naira monthly. Your high-yield savings should be giving about 468,000 naira annually. Your dividend stocks or ETFs can be giving you 292,500 annually. Your REITs 156,000 annually, and treasury bills or bonds should be giving you around 104,000 annually. Your annual return should be about 1,020,500, while your monthly return should be about 85,000. By year 5, your high-yield savings should be giving you about 1.5 million naira annually. Your dividend stocks and ETFs should be giving you over 5 million annually. Your REITs should be giving you over 2 million annually. And your treasury bills or bonds should be giving you about 1.6 million annually. Your annual return should be about 10,665,000, and your monthly return should be about 888,000 naira. By year 10, your high-yield savings should be giving you over 4.5 million annually. Your dividend stocks and ETFs should be giving you over 16 million annually. Your real estate investment trust should be giving you over 7 million annually. And your treasury bills or bonds should be giving you about 4.6 million naira annually. Your annual return should be about 32.8 million, and your monthly return should be about 2.7 million. Here are the mistakes to avoid. 1. Chasing unrealistic returns. That 30% in 30 days is likely to be a Ponzi scheme. Please walk away. Another mistake to avoid is not diversifying. Buy different stocks. Buying only one REIT or one stock is too risky. Also, don't forget about taxes. Use tax advantage accounts. This is particularly important for those of us outside Nigeria. Don't invest emotionally. Markets will rise and fall. Don't panic sell when your investments in the market go down. Here are the action steps you need to take this week. Open a high-yield savings account, PiggyVest or money market fund account, or a global high-interest savings account can do. Research on the dividend stocks like the ones I mentioned and the global ETFs. Check your REITs options, both those in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. Buy your first treasury bill or subscribe to federal government savings bonds. Start automating your monthly investment. Building passive income is like planting a mango tree. You plant it today, you water it regularly, and in a few years, it feeds you for life. You don't need millions to start, but you need to start to have millions later. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment which passive income stream you will start first. Check the next video showing on your screen right now to watch a 6-month financial plan you can use to change your financial status for the better. Until I see you, keep dreaming big and keep working hard towards your dreams. I'm rooting for you. Bye for now.